And you've had a long gap in between. I mean, not long, but you yourself said you've taken a lot of gaps. But now lately we've seen something of you. You know, after Listen Amaya, and then we saw the Made in Heaven. In between there were a few others. So is it now that you are moving back again towards cinema?
Yeah, because I'll tell you why those gaps. I did some very insipid roles in the process of making a living and sustaining. You know, in Bombay, and you know, so one has to keep working.
Yes, right.
So there came a time when I felt, okay, I've secured myself enough. I don't think I need to keep on working, even though I do not like the roles. So I never wanted to do a single film where I didn't like the role, but I had to do some. Because they were like, वो ना होने के बराबर ही है, किसी गिनती में नहीं आते. हाँ, वो ऐसा unfortunately actors also, it's also our livelihood, so we have to keep doing. लेकिन I didn't also want to do typical हिंदी सिनेमा में एक मदर फिगर होती है, वो typical होती है. तो I didn't want that. I wanted to do less work, but let a role come where this mother, though let her be mother, she's mother, I'm playing my age, but let her be well defined. If you can't define her, if I ask them, कि कौन है ये औरत? They say, ma'am जैसी होती हैं, mothers, sweet सी. So that didn't interest me one bit. I thought, no, I don't want to waste my time. I'd rather write, I'd rather paint, I'd rather travel, I'd rather trek.
Yes, your trek, of course. You've done the Zanskar trek. The
Zanskar,
yes. Which is your first woman.
First Indian
woman.
Tourist, yes.
So I'm sorry if I forgot, from the painter, photographer, actor, author.
These are my,
and a trekker.
These are my, compulsions. I need to get out there. I need to be out in the wilderness. I need to walk a lot in the nature. I think it's वो बचपन से है. मॉम एंड पिताजी और मामा हमको ले जाते थे. दो महीने हम लोग कुल्लू वैली में रहते थे, और आगे कुछ सड़कें भी नहीं थी तब. हाँ, जब नेहरू जी वेंट 2 years later, and then the roads were built. हम उससे पहले से जा रहे हैं. So वो आदत, it's a addictive, to be wandering and.
So ये सारे जो roles हैं, which is the role which really defines you as a person? Is it an actor, a writer, painter? क्या है which also gives you the most satisfaction?
Yeah, see, I love acting. I've always loved acting, and I thought I always wanted to be an actress. So that goes without saying कि वो तो मेरा रहेगा. But if you ask me what defines me best, then it is only through my writing that I can express myself, who I am, what I feel, what is my take on life, how I look at life, and that is the closest to who I am. This book will tell you.
Yes, this tells, and I hope there is a sequel to it. There is a lot of life ahead, and I'm really looking forward to reading more of that.
I don't know if there will be a sequel, but yes, I will at some point. I have a couple of books to write. Still,
that's great.
Yeah. But I will at some point definitely write about my cinema experience.
Right, absolutely. And you're also doing your daughter's film. I was reading Disha.
I told her bring me a script.
Okay.
I think right now she was trying some time earlier for me to do a short film, and then somehow things didn't fall in place. But now she's working on something else, so I would love to.
Right. Okay.
I love acting, as I said, so I will continue. And the only thing is that just don't want to do any stereotypical, non-happening.
Inconsequential. Absolutely. Yeah.